Okay, after I made a video concerning ngawin.com, this gaming app that a lot of comedians are busy promoting. So someone is asking me whether it's real or not. I don't make that video to actually tell you whether it's real or not, but all I just tell you that note, whenever you are signing up on nga.win or ngawin.com, remember that you have a high chance of losing all your money. I give it a rate of 95% loss and 5% win. That is what I said on that video. Meanwhile, if you come over to Trustpilot, you are going to see a lot of review and rated by Trustpilot as a poor, which means all this review that you are seeing right here, 7% have already reviewed this platform. If you check very well, all of them are not saying good about this ngawin.com, and you can see it by yourself. And not only that, this guy have already lost a lot of money, or lose 5,000, 10,000 and above just a day, and or probably 2 days. That is why he's making this video.